Here's a segment at Bach Towers, a parcel, and it is the pollinator garden. And what a nice feature to have in a public garden, or perhaps private. I guess it's open to the public, so I guess we can call it a public garden. But yeah, lots of flowers, Asteraceae things going on there. And over here, there's things to attract pollinators. I'm hoping to see a butterfly or something. Oh yeah, yeah. Where? Oh yeah, yeah. There's a woman in a bridal gown. I guess somebody's getting married here. Wish them bon chance. I was hoping to see a little herd of butterflies going through, but anyway, so lots of neat flowers going on there. Here's another parcel of the garden, and you can freeze that if you want, and then we'll move on. It's a lot of native scrubby type plants going on here, pines, palmettos, just little oaks. When we were driving in, there were a lot of beautiful maples as well. So and then I believe this is the beginning of the kitchen garden, the backside maybe, and so there's a ton of fruit trees. It kind of looks like a stone fruit tree, maybe a peach or something there, and mulberries, and that's an olive tree, and more peachy things. So sugar cane. Yeah, so this is again the kitchen garden, edibles, which is awesome. All right, well, we will sally forth. This looks like it goes more and more into just nice native scrubby things. More sugar cane there. Here's a shot of the tower, and it's starting to sing, as it were. And I apologize, there's a Cisco delivery truck in the background, but I'm going to shut up and hopefully you can hear the bells. Okay, if I can catch it singing at where we're closer, I'll do that. Oh, here's the sign too. Let's see, the wild garden. So I'll hold it there for a second. You want to freeze it, you can. And then I'll move on to another segment. All right, they're warning us that, or at least they're warning insects, that there are insectivorous plants ahead. So I'll put this here so you can freeze on it. And there's another sign down here. And then I will try to find the carnivorous plants. Let's see what's on this sign before I shut off this segment here. And I will try to find out who Olmsted is. A couple signs ago was talking about Olmsted, and apparently there's 200 years being celebrated, so I'll see what I can find out. Somebody perhaps who was here in the 1820s, I don't know. Anyway, we're just meandering down a trail. Look at that juniper there, or is that I want to say that's juniper. Gorgeous. Alright, I'll pick up somewhere else. Hopefully I'll find the bug-eating plants. There's a sculpture of a Venus flytrap, and you can freeze that if you want. And there's the sculpture of the flytrap, and maybe that's what they were alluding to when they were talking about carnivorous plants. There's look like some other carnivorous plant statue up here. Let you pause that if you want. There's a pretty view of a pond or a small lake. I keep meaning to Google what separates pond from lake. Like, is there a certain amount of hectare or acreage that defines a lake over a pond? I have to look that up sometime. Same thing with boats and ships. I'm sure there's some delineation there. So there's a pitcher plant statue. And I'm guessing that they're, oh yeah, here, see. I'm assuming what they're doing in the way of a statue there. Oh yeah, here's another one. So this is nice. It's a sort of integrated thing where they have the, and there's a beautiful sort of lavender flower blocking that sign, so forgive me, but you can check out the statuary instead. And this is just past mid-June. I think it's the 18th of June, 2022. And I'll probably be uploading this video on the same day or perhaps the day later. There's another carnivorous plant there. And that is the window by the pond, so I assume that's just a nice vista of the pondy area. So anyway, we found the carnivorous plants, but they're made of metal or fiberglass. Oops, let me back that out, sorry. You can read that. And should we go to the window by the pond, or should we go further that way? You want to go to the pond?
Let's go look.
Okay, so we'll catch up at the window by the pond.